If you want to take a long screenshot on your iPhone, so here's how you can do that. First of all, just open any scrollable page on your iPhone. For an example, I will open a website in Safari. Now after you open a scrollable page, now just take a normal screenshot. Now I will take a screenshot on my iPhone by pressing the side button and the volume up button at the same time. Now after you capture a screenshot on your iPhone, now just tap on the preview to enlarge it. And from here you will find the option of full page. Just tap on it, and once you do that, you will capture a long screenshot of the whole page. Now if you tap on the crop button over here, you can crop the part of the screenshot which you don't need. For an example, I will crop the top and the bottom part and tap on done to save. Then tap on OK. Now just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the screen and tap on done. Now from here just select save to photos, or you can select save as PDF to files. Now I will select save to photos. Now you can find the screenshot which you have captured in the Photos app. If you have selected save as photo, just like that. And this is how you can take a long screenshot on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.